Hey you guys, so excuse my appearance and I'm obviously recording this on my phone. I'm outside with my dogs, my dog and my mom's dogs in this little area here next to my entrance. But I've been trying to film this video for a good 2 weeks now, and I haven't had no day usually now is a good skin day or anything. I still thought it was gonna be better to do this outside because you can see everything better. I'm trying to get through this as quickly as I can, and say the things that I need to say because my phone's dying. No surprise there. But around March of this year, 2018, I had a week. I was celebrating my birthday, but I was starting to see breakout, but it was normal breakouts. I was like, okay, I get it because I've been wearing makeup more constant than usual. So after that week, I started noticing that my skin wasn't healing like it normally does. And for some of you don't know, I am a licensed esthetician, so I did get my license in skincare, so I'm very attentive to my skin. I have combo skin. I'm mostly oily in my T-zone, and my pores in my cheeks are a lot more larger than the rest of my face, including my forehead. I feel like they're a lot larger here than anywhere else. But it wasn't healing, and I was like, okay, so you know me, I'm my oils, my tea tree, my mask, my steam, I started extra caring my skin. It just wasn't going away. And I was like, what the heck is going on? My skin doesn't do like this. And then breaking out even more, but it was smaller little breakouts, like tiny ones. They looked like bubbles. It was bubbles of oil just trapped. And then I would get these bigger ones that was they were digging deeper than my acne normally did. Well, yeah, acne normally did. And it was when they would dry out and come out, it was so inflamed and so much bigger, and the actual whiteheads, I would say, were a lot larger. And I was like, oh my god, my skin is changing, my pores are getting bigger. So I started doing a lot of tightening things, cooling masks, so much. But I was trying not to overdo it, because I know when you also overdo it, you could also be causing a lot more stuff to happen in your skin. So I put a picture here. The top is I want to say ending April-ish. Yeah, ending April-ish. I ordered NXN Beauty because I've seen so much publicity from them, and I've actually seen people that have gotten results from them. So I was like, okay, let me try this. It's paraben free, cruelty free, because I didn't want to do Proactive, which I've done when I was younger, when I was first going through puberty. But I've never had skin issues like this, not even when I was going through puberty. It wasn't this crazy. So the so that timeline from that picture that I was talking about was actually a good 2 weeks apart from each other. And it just getting from that picture that I was talking about was actually a good 2 weeks apart from each other, and it just getting worse and worse and worse. Right now my skin is actually not bad. The bumps are not that raised compared to how they were. I'll try to find better footage or pictures to show you how raised they were. It was really bad, but you can tell I'm getting acne scars from the horribleness that I've been through. And this side, it even's gone back here. And then my forehead, you can tell like these dark patches, like that's where they've been and they just haven't gone away. Like this one has been there for a while, it's just come back and stuff. Like there's a few here, like they just keep coming back. Like I don't know what happened, but I'm just glad that it's not as crazy now. I can't really wear makeup, and when I do, it's like it breaks me out right away, and then I'm like depressed for like 2 days because I'm like, oh my god, my skin. But then I can't wear any makeup to cover it because it's not reacting well. And then I even went out and bought like a whole new foundation, a whole new this and whole new that, to see if like that helped out too. And it's like a very high-end foundation that I spent like $50-$60 on it, and it still broke me out. So I don't know what's going on. But if anyone has any suggestions, like I'm so open to suggestions from anyone. If like a dermatologist is like their parents are dermatologists, can you like let me know? Like I have tried to make an appointment with a dermatologist, but unfortunately I can't find one that's in my network at the moment. But I'm still gonna be searching, because at this point, like, I will make an effort to go like all the way to New York at this point. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on like why I haven't been like uploading makeup or anything like at all. It's because of this. Like I don't feel confident enough to like, I feel confident enough to like go out in public, because I have been going out in public like this, because I'm just like, my skin is like this, it's like, it's bad and I don't want to put makeup on, and that's just how it's gonna be. But to film, because it's like I want to film makeup, and I've had so many things that I've been wanting to do for the past, mind you, today is almost end of June. It's June 25th. Like we're like 5 days away from ending June, and I'm still having these problems. This started in March, and I don't know, but I'm happy that it's not as bad. I will be showing you guys pictures throughout and stuff like that throughout, like how it's been. But I just wanted to come on here and just explain, like, I have been gone, you know, like before, but it's like I could have still filmed, and I did try to still film, but it's like here it's like I could still film and put foundation and stuff like on top of this, but it's like I don't want to, because it's finally getting better. I will, if you guys want, make a whole separate video of like what I've been doing to kind of help my skin not go crazy again. Oh, I did have to end up canceling NX Beauty because I wasn't seeing results. It was actually getting worse. So I was like, okay, it might be too powerful. But yeah, the girl, when I called, was like, are you sure? I was like, yeah, girl, like it's not working. So she was like, okay, maybe you need to see a dermatologist. I was like, yeah, maybe. Side note, I was thinking about this really, really hard the other day, and I was thinking like maybe it might be like my dietary situation, because like around March I did start meal prep and all that stuff. I think I mentioned it in one of my videos or something, but I feel like I'm still meal prepping, but I don't think it would be my skin reacting for this long. I don't know, I could be wrong, who knows. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a update on why I haven't been doing YouTube or Instagram videos. Hopefully I can get a foundation that won't worsen my condition right now. If you guys have any suggestions, if you have cystic acne or anything like that that you can definitely recommend with acne prone skin, put it down below, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye.